Don't replace it, restore it. With the ReStor-It Quick 20 Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit, you can easily repair burns, holes, rips, and tears on leather and vinyl items in your home, office, car, boat, RV, and more. It only takes 20 minutes, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Prepare and clean the damaged area. Step 2. Determine what repair compound color matches your leather or vinyl. Use one of the 7 existing colors, or create your own by mixing any combination of the colors. If you're not sure how to make a certain color, refer to the color mixing guide on the back of your instruction sheet and apply the mixture to the repair area. Then, place the appropriate grain pattern over it. Step 3. Let the repair dry and you're done. The ReStor-It Quick 20 Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit provides an easy, fast, and inexpensive way to make a near-perfect repair on damaged leather or vinyl in only 20 minutes. For more information about this amazing product and other ReStor-It repair kits from Master Manufacturing, visit MicksMFGCO.com. Restore it yourself, save, and enjoy beautiful results.